In the grand tapestry of existence, there are moments when it seems as if the universe is orchestrating your lives, gently nudging you in certain directions. These subtle signs, often overlooked in the hustle of daily life, can serve as whispers from the cosmos, guiding you toward your destined path. While skepticism may reign in a world dominated by science and reason, there are instances where the mystical intertwines with the mundane, offering a glimpse into a realm beyond your comprehension. In this video, you will explore 7 subtle signs that indicate the universe is guiding you. Let's get started. Serendipitous encounters. Have you ever found yourself in the company of someone at precisely the right place and time, sensing an inexplicable connection that transcends the ordinary? Serendipitous encounters unfold like a celestial wink, leading you to ponder whether there exists a grander plan orchestrating the twists and turns of your lives. These instances, far from arbitrary, resonate as more than chance. They evoke the sense that the universe, in all its vastness, is conspiring to foster a connection. Consider the stranger on a train, a chance companion whose presence becomes a bearer of unexpected wisdom, precisely when you need it the most. Picture the old friend who reemerges into your life, just as you find yourself navigating the complexities of existence. In these seemingly fortuitous meetings, the universe takes on the role of a cosmic matchmaker, aligning the stars to facilitate connections that go beyond the surface of happenstance. It's as if the cosmos is choreographing a dance of destiny, urging you to recognize the significance embedded in these encounters. These meetings serve as gentle reminders that your individual journeys are intricately woven into the tapestry of others' lives. The people you encounter, whether momentarily or for a lifetime, may well be agents through which the universe guides you along the path you are meant to tread. In the serendipity of human connections, there lies a profound beauty, a beauty that whispers of a greater design, where the universe reveals its hand through the people you meet. As you navigate the intricate web of relationships, these encounters become signposts, pointing you toward the interconnectedness of your shared cosmic voyage. So, the next time you find yourself in the company of a stranger whose words resonate, or an old friend who returns just in time, pause and acknowledge the cosmic choreography at play. An orchestration that transcends the boundaries of chance and hints at a guiding force within the universe itself. Obstacles and detours. In the intricate web of life's journey, obstacles and detours often emerge as unexpected twists that challenge your predetermined routes. Contrary to conventional belief, these hurdles are not mere roadblocks. Rather, they might serve as cosmic course corrections orchestrated by the universe itself. When faced with challenges that diverge from your planned paths, it's essential to perceive them not as setbacks, but as opportunities for profound growth and transformation. Imagine encountering a setback, a deviation from the meticulously charted course of your life's journey. Instead of viewing it as a hindrance, consider the possibility that the universe might be redirecting your path, guiding you away from trajectories that no longer serve your highest good. These detours, though seemingly disruptive, often unveil hidden opportunities and unforeseen avenues for exploration and self-discovery. Embracing these unforeseen shifts in direction with an open mind allows you to discern the subtle hand of the cosmos shaping your journey. It urges you to relinquish your attachments to preconceived notions of the right path, encouraging you to trust the cosmic intelligence guiding your destinies. In these moments of redirection, the universe presents you with the chance to pivot, adapt, and embrace a more profound sense of purpose, one that aligns with the greater cosmic design orchestrating your existence. Repeating patterns and themes. Life, a complex and multifaceted tapestry, reveals itself through the intricate weave of repeating patterns and themes. A silent language and an eloquent script through which the universe imparts its profound teachings. From confronting analogous challenges in disparate corners of your lives, to encountering symbols that carry personal resonance. These repetitions serve as cosmic whispers, waiting patiently for you to unravel their hidden messages. Imagine facing a recurrent challenge, each time presenting itself with a different guise, but carrying a familiar essence. These repetitions are not arbitrary, they are chapters in a cosmic curriculum, beckoning you to venture deeper into the realms of self-discovery and personal evolution. The universe, in its deliberate orchestration, urges you to recognize the interconnectedness between seemingly disparate experiences. As you keenly observe and decipher these recurrent motifs, you begin to unravel the concealed threads that interlace through the fabric of your lives. Each repetition transforms into a clue, a guiding light directing you toward unraveling the mysteries of your existence. Embracing these patterns as cosmic breadcrumbs leads you on a transformative journey. A journey that extends beyond the surface of everyday experiences and delves into the intricate narrative meticulously crafted by the universe itself. These repetitions, far from being random occurrences, it serves as gateways to understanding the cosmic design that shapes your individual journeys. They beckon you to explore the subtle nuances of your experiences, recognizing the cosmic choreography that connects the dots of your existence. By embracing these repeating patterns, you embark on a transformative odyssey, gaining insights into the cosmic symphony that orchestrates the dance of your lives. In deciphering these cosmic threads, you discover a deeper understanding of ourselves and your place within the vast cosmic tableau. A tableau where each repetition holds the key to unlocking the profound lessons woven into the very fabric of your being. Intuition and gut feelings. The universe extends its guidance not only through orchestrated events, but also through the silent language of your intuition, an innate compass deeply embedded within your being. Gut feelings, those elusive sensations that defy logical explanation, may very well be the universe imparting its wisdom directly to your hearts. These intuitive nudges, akin to cosmic whispers, beckon you to trust the unseen paths unfolding before us. Imagine a moment when an inexplicable impulse prompts you to deviate from your usual route home, leading you away from a potential unforeseen event. Alternatively, consider the sudden surge of caution in a particular situation, which urges you to exercise prudence. These subtle whispers of intuition, when heeded, often guide you toward pathways and opportunities that may have eluded your conscious awareness. Tuning into these inner whispers becomes a form of attunement to the cosmic radio frequency, allowing the universe to gently guide you toward the realization of your highest potential. Acknowledging and embracing these intuitive promptings invites you to consider the possibility that the universe, in its vast wisdom, communicates through the language of your instincts. Trusting these inner nudges becomes an invitation to waltz with the cosmic symphony, navigating your life's journey with a profound sense of alignment and purpose. Our gut feelings, those quiet yet potent signals, serve as a direct line to the cosmic intelligence woven into the fabric of your existence. By listening to these inner murmurs, you embark on a journey of profound self-discovery and cosmic connection. It's as if the universe, in its intricate dance, leads you toward the fulfillment of your highest potential, using the silent whispers of intuition as a guide through the labyrinth of life's uncertainties. In embracing these intuitive nudges, you not only trust ourselves, but also acknowledge the cosmic choreography that shapes your individual paths in the vast cosmic ballet of existence. Dreams and symbolism. In the realm of the subconscious, dreams unfold as enigmatic narratives that have fascinated humanity for eons. Often seen as windows into the depths of your psyche, dreams can transcend the confines of your inner world and act as gateways to the cosmic realm itself. Within these nocturnal landscapes, the universe might choreograph a symphony of symbols and narratives to communicate messages that elude your waking consciousness. Consider a recurring symbol, a vivid image that frequently grazes the canvas of your dreamscape. These symbols may hold significance beyond their apparent meaning, serving as encoded messages from the universe. By paying attention to these recurrent motifs, you embark on a journey of decipherment, seeking profound insights into the direction in which the universe nudges us. Dreams, often vivid and surreal, offer an intricately woven tapestry upon which the cosmos paints its intentions. They invite you to decode the symbolic language that transcends the boundaries of ordinary reality, presenting you with the opportunity to delve deeper into the mysteries of your existence. As you navigate this ethereal realm, the universe speaks to you in the language of symbols, beckoning you to interpret the hidden messages that hold the keys to your higher purpose and path. Meaningful synchronicities. In the tapestry of existence, synchronicities emerge as captivating threads, weaving together moments that transcend mere coincidence. These instances, where the universe orchestrates meaningful coincidences, offer you a glimpse into the intricate language of cosmic dialogue unfolding around us. Imagine discovering a specific feather in a moment of profound contemplation. A seemingly mundane object that transcends its physical form, transforming into a symbol pregnant with meaning. This feather becomes a conduit, a message from the universe conveying guidance precisely when you seek it most. Or envision encountering a particular number repeatedly, each instance acting as a beckoning call, capturing your attention amidst the chaos of daily life. These synchronicities are not random occurrences, they are nuanced signposts, urging you to pause and reflect on the interconnectedness of your experiences. Beyond the veil of ordinary reality, these synchronicities reveal themselves as whispers from the cosmos. They beckon you to decode the profound messages embedded within the patterns of your lives, encouraging you to embark on a journey of exploration into the depths of your existence. As you venture beyond the surface of your everyday existence, these synchronicities unravel a narrative that transcends the ordinary. Each symbol, each event, holds within it the potential to unlock the secrets of the universe. They invite you to decipher the intricate language woven into the fabric of reality, revealing the subtle hints and gestures from the cosmos. In acknowledging and exploring these synchronicities, you embrace a deeper understanding of the universal forces at play, inviting you to dance within the cosmic symphony that shapes your journey through life. Inner resonance and alignment. Amidst the cosmic symphony of existence, one of the most profound indications that the universe is guiding your journey manifests as the sublime resonance and alignment within your being. Picture yourself immersed in pursuits that resonate with the core of your being, endeavors that echo the whispers of your true purpose. In these moments, a profound harmony and flow permeate your existence, signaling that you are in resonance with the cosmic orchestration. The universe communicates through subtle affirmations and sublime whispers that resonate within the depths of your soul. When you're on the right path, pursuing endeavors that align with your authentic self, these affirmations may manifest as an overwhelming sense of peace, a deep-seated joy that emanates from within, or an inexplicable fulfillment that transcends ordinary moments. These sentiments are not fleeting, they serve as celestial echoes, affirming that you are in synchrony with the cosmic plan. Tuning into your inner state becomes pivotal amidst the cacophony of the external world. It's in these moments of self-reflection that you acknowledge the resonance echoing within your soul. These instances of profound alignment are the universe's subtle nods, providing clarity and assurance that you are traversing the paths intended for your growth and evolution. As you attune yourself to this inner resonance, a sense of clarity and purpose permeates your existence. Acknowledging these moments becomes more than a mere recognition, it becomes an affirmation that you are aligned with the grand design of the cosmos. These moments of inner harmony and alignment serve as guiding lights, illuminating the path ahead and reaffirming that you are indeed in step with the cosmic rhythm that orchestrates the dance of the universe. Conclusion. In the intricate dance of existence, the universe weaves a tapestry of guidance through subtle signs that often evade your conscious awareness. All of the signs above serve as whispers from the cosmos, guiding you toward your destined paths. While skeptics may dismiss these signs as mere coincidences, those who choose to embrace the mystical nature of life find themselves on a journey enriched with purpose and meaning. By opening ourselves to the possibility that the universe is guiding us, we embark on a transformative exploration of the interconnectedness that binds us to the cosmic symphony of existence.